But if we did have the technology to arrive, Earth is pretty special, with its breathable atmosphere, abundant water, and habitable climate. But if we did have the technology to arrive and survive on other planets, what would it be like to stand on them? Some 3,500 exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun, have been discovered since the first confirmed sighting in 1995. Of the planets discovered beyond our solar system, we can find some really extreme ones. Planets where it rains liquid iron, where light doesn't exist, with temperatures higher than those of the Sun. These are 5 planets not to visit. Number 5. HD 14902-6b, a planet blacker than black. HD 14902-6b, formerly named Smertrios, is an extrasolar planet approximately 256 light-years from the Sun in the constellation of Hercules. It is the smallest known transiting planet, with a size similar to Saturn's and a suspected dense core 70 to 90 times the mass of Earth. It speeds around its star, Ogma, every 2.9 days. Until very recently, HD 14902-6b was also the densest planet known. It contains higher levels of heavy elements, those other than hydrogen and helium, than all of the planets in our solar system combined, and its core might have been up to 90 times the mass of the Earth. HD 14902-6b is simply the most scorching ball of gas, is considered to be the hottest planet in our solar system, reaching 3,700 degrees Fahrenheit, around 2,040 degrees Celsius, 3 times hotter than Mercury and hotter than the coolest stars. The planet is so hot that astronomers believe it is absorbing almost all of the heat from its star and reflecting very little to no light. HD 1 light, but the Spitzer's observatory was a planet, which means that it crosses in front of and passes behind its star, the secondary eclipse. When viewed from Earth, by determining the drop in total infrared light that occurs when the planet disappears, astronomers can figure out how much infrared light is coming from the planet alone. Number 4. TRES-2b, a cold black planet. If you had the possibility to do a trip through the universe, but you're afraid of TRES-2b, it's less reflective than black acrylic. Backstory, if you won't. Number 3. HD 189733b, a deep blue exoplanet. HD 189733b was discovered orbiting the star HD 189733 on October 5, 2005, when astronomers in France observed the planet transiting across the face of the star. It is an exoplanet approximately 64.5 light-years away from the solar system, in the constellation of Vulpecula. To the human eye, this far-off planet looks bright. For starters, a star in just 2.2 Earth deadly. Like a blowtorch was discovered. The planet is one of 6 highlighted in NASA's Galaxy of Ours, a special Halloween gallery that the space agency put together this year. Number 2. Kepler-70b. Kepler-70b is in the and consequently, like Kepler-70b, exoplanet to be home to life. Number 1. WASP-76b, World of Hell. Scientists have found evidence for rain on an exoplanet, but don't get too excited for the prospect of life on this world, since instead of water, the rainfall consists of extremely hot vapor droplets of iron. We are talking about a giant planet called WASP-76b, a planet slightly larger than our Sun. Its discovery was announced in 2013, and it is a hot Jupiter-type exoplanet, which are gas giant planets like Jupiter that orbit very close to their stars. It takes less than 2 Earth days for WASP-76b to orbit its star. It always shows the same side to its star and has one side where it is perpetually night and one side where it is perpetually day. Since WASP 76b is much closer to its star than the Earth is to the Sun, it receives thousands